So as you can see, we're at the Holiday Inn in Bloomsbury. We're at the London Pen Show. I've got 30 free pens, free Parker Jotters to give away. So let's go in, let's find some youngsters and let's give them a free pen. Okay, we're here at the London Writing Equipment Society Pen Show, and thank you to Parker for supplying me with 30 free pens. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to give away 30 pens. We've got the Parker, come here young lady, we've got something for you. Here's a customer from last year. Basically, yeah, we've got 30 pens we're going to give away, the Parker Jotter, the London collection. So, well, without further ado, let's give these ladies a pen. So, take a pick. They're all different colours. Okay. So, there's one for you. Take a pick. There we go. So there we have 2 happy customers, hopefully. Yes?
Definitely.
And these are on behalf of, like I say, thank you to Parker for supplying the pens. So, thank you, Parker.
Thank you very much, Parker.
Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
Are you happy with that?
I'm more than happy with that.
That's lovely. Thanks very much. Okay, we've got Cody here. He's been to the pen show. He's bought himself a nice new pen, but let's give him a free one. Take your pick there, Cody. They're all basically, they're 5 different colours, so it's a bit of a lucky dip.
Oh, thank you so much.
But it's a Parker pen, given to me by Parker for people that attend the pen show, so well done.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Cody.
Thank you.
Cheers. And you. Right, we've got this young lady here, Jo. She's also come to the London Pen Show, so the fact that she's come along, let's give her a free pen. And as we said earlier, these have been donated by Parker. Thanks to Parker for donating the pen. So take your pick. They're all 5 different colours. There you go. So there's another happy customer. So you alright with that, Jo?
Yes, thank you very much.
And thanks for coming to the show.
Thank you.
Thanks, Jo. Okay, we've got Joe here. Now, unfortunately, he says he's a student. I don't know whether to believe him or not, but are you really a student, Joe?
I really am.
Okay, so let's give him a free pen. So, right, take your pick in here, Joe. They're all different colours, so it's a bit of a lucky dip.
Thank you.
There we go. So there's Joe, our youngest student yet. Cheers, Joe.
Adult student.
Yes. Thanks very much. Right, we've got this young gentleman here. His name is Senut, and we've got this gentleman here. Is Neon, is it?
Yep.
Neon. Now, well done for coming to the show. So, as we're trying to encourage these youngsters to write and take yourself a free pen, take a dip there, Sion. Anyone, all different colours. And there's one. You take yourself.
Thank you very much.
And there we go. They're on behalf of Parker that sort of helping us out and also encourage these young chaps to write with fountain pens. You happy with that?
Yeah.
Are you happy, young man?
Yeah. Can I plug my Instagram in there?
Of course you can, quickly.
Follow me on YouTube and Instagram at the Young Car Spotter. Cheers.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Right, we've got this young gentleman here by the name of Callie. You've been to the pen show, haven't you, Callie? Yes. So what we like to do, as we said, we like to encourage youngsters to use pens and write. So we'd like to give you a free pen if that's okay with you. Thank you very much. So pick one of them because they're all different colours. There you go. It's a Parker Jotter, the new London collection. So it's from Parker. They've given me pens to give away to youngsters.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
All right, Kelly?
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Cheers. Okay, I've got Igor here from all the way from Poland.
Hello.
Come to the pen show. Have you enjoyed the show?
Yes, really like it. It was
Good.
my first time on that kind of show.
Excellent.
And
so the fact that you've come to the show, Igor, let's give you a free pen.
Wow.
Okay, so pick one of them in there. Any one. They're all different colours.
Okay. You got one?
Yeah. So it's a Parker Jotter, but it's a free pen for attending the show.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Wow, very nice.
Okay?
Yep.
You okay with that, Igor?
Yeah, that's great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, we've got, what's your name, sorry?
Ashish.
Ashish and Ibrahim. Is it? Ibrahim here. They've come to the pen show. So, can I give you a free pen, chaps?
Well, not indeed.
So, well done for coming to the pen show. So, let's give you a free pen. So, pick one of them in there, any one, they're all different colours. There you go. And there's one for you. So, that's a free pen. So, well done for coming to the show. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, I've got Joel here. He's also attending the show, aren't you, Joel?
Yeah, first time coming.
Okay, so that's nice to see our younger generation at the show. So let's give him a free pen. So here you go, Joel. Put your hand in there. Pick one of them. They're all different colours, so we're not too sure. So
I'll do Grand Veil in. Perfect.
Are you happy with that, Joel?
Yeah, it's great. Thank you.
That's great. You're welcome.
Cheers.
Okay, I've got young Lacan here, also attended the show. So well done, Lacan, for attending the show. So let's give you a free pen. Take one of them. They're all different colours. So, and that's for attending the show, young man. All right. You're welcome. Right, I've got Dave here as well. He's a young student that's come to the pen show. So we're going to give Dave a free pen as well. So
Very kind of you, sir.
you're more than welcome. And this is Parker have given us all these pens to give away to you young students. So there you go, Dave.
Thank you very much indeed.
You're more than welcome. Thank you very much. Okay, I've got Alia and Abby, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, that have also attended the show. So let's treat them to a new pen for attending the show. So take your pick there.
Oh, lovely.
There's 5 different colours, so it's a bit of a lucky dip.
Okay, let's look.
But they're from Parker, so we're encouraging youngsters to come to the show.
There we go. Thank you, Parker.
Thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome. Thank you. Got young Kaya here. She's also been to the pen show, as you can see. But what we'll do, let's give her a free pen for coming to the show, because we like to encourage you people. So put your hand in there. Pick one of them, any one.
Thank you very much.
There you go. It's a Parker Jotter, so you can use that when you're not using the Pelican.
Lovely. Thank
All
you
right,
very
Kaya.
much. Thank you so much.
You're more than welcome. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
So we've got, sorry, Isaac and Raquel. They've come to the pen show today, so let's give them a free pen. There's one for you, Isaac, and there's one for you, young lady. Okay, so it's from Parker, but a free pen for attending the show, so well done.
Thank you.
Okay. So we've got young David here. He's been to the pen show, so let's give him a free pen. Would you like a free pen, David?
Yes, please.
Okie doke. Put your hand in there. Pick any one of them. And there you have it. A new Parker Jotter fountain pen.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you, David. Okay, we've got Cameron here. He's also just attended the pen show. Are you on your way home now?
Yes, I think so. I think my bank account is significantly lighter.
Right, well in that case, if it's lighter, allow me to give you a free pen from Parker.
All right.
So, pop your hand in there, pick one of them, because they're all different colours.
Great.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
free pen,
Hey, all right.
no charge,
Fantastic.
doesn't matter on your bank balance or anything like that.
No. All right. I will report it to HMRC though as a gift.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Cheers. Right, we've got Dave here,
Hey.
another chap that's just been to the pen show, so, whoops-a-daisy, let's give him a free pen. Take one of them, Dave. It's a Parker Jotter, no cost, totally free.
Perfect, thank you very much, appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thanks a lot, Dave.
Thank you.
Okay, I've got Charlie here, he's just leaving the pen show. Have you bought anything, Charlie, today?
I got myself an Onoto Magna.
Absolutely superb. But, because he's been to the pen show, let's give him a free Parker Jotter fountain pen. We've got 2 left. Take your pick, whichever colour.
Fantastic.
Okay. So there you go, there's a free pen for you, Charlie.
Thank you very much.
Lovely, cheers. Thank you. Okay, I've got a young Vincent here. You've been to the pen show, Vincent, and he's got himself a new pen. Well, the fact that he's come to the show, look at that. That's Vincent's new pen. So do you want a free pen, Vincent?
Sure.
Right. I've got 1 left, and you've got my last free pen. So put it there, Vincent. Thank you, and well done with coming to the show and keep using your pen.
Not many kids do this.
No, and that's what we want. We want more kids doing this. So come next year as well, yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Nice one, Vincent. Well done.
Nice to meet you.
Cheers, Dad. I'm back in my hometown, as you can see behind me there. Yesterday had a great day at the London Pen Show, where we gave away lots of free Parker Jotter fountain pens. So well done to everybody that received a free pen. Well done to everybody for attending the London Pen Show, and hopefully we'll see you next year. And last but not least, thank you to Parker for supporting me in, well, providing the pens to give out to our younger generation. Well, some of them were a little bit younger, some of them were not, but hopefully everybody enjoys their pens. So take a look below, have a look at Parker's website, go and have a look at their products, and again, hopefully we'll see you all next year. And don't forget, keep writing, right?